In an AP, 15th term exceeds the 8th term by 21. If sum of first 10 terms is 55, then form the AP. So here, 15th term of an AP, 15th term of an AP exceeds the 8th term by 21, and sum of first 10 terms is 55. These two conditions are given. And now see if I write the formulas for nth term. Nth term formula is a plus n minus 1 into d. And here 15th term will be a15 will be a plus 15 minus 1 into d. So that will be a plus 14d. Next, a15, here clearly it is a plus 14d equals, in the same way if I'll calculate a8, a8 will be a plus 8 minus 1 into d. So it will be a plus 7d equals a plus 7d plus 21. Now if I'll simplify this now, here see a and a will get cancelled. 14d, 7d if I'll transpose, minus 7d equals 21. 14d minus 7d is 7d equals 21. D equals 21 upon 7. So the value of d, clearly it is 3. Because 7 times 1, 7 times 3. Now Sn. Here Sn formula, sum of n terms, Sn formula is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now if I will substitute the values here, S10, 10 by 2, n by 2, 2a, we don't know the value of a, n, 10 minus 1, d value we know that is 3. 10 by 2 is 5 equals 55, sorry. So 2a plus 10 minus 1, 9, 9 times 3 equals 55. Now see this 5 you can transpose or you can cut directly here. 5 times 1, 5 times 11. So now 2a plus 9 into 3, 27 equals 11. So here 2a equals 11 minus 27. 2a equals 11 minus 27 is minus 16. So a is minus 16 upon 2. So the value of a is 2 times 1, 2 times 8. So a value is minus 8. Now we need to find the AP. We need to form the AP. So AP is nothing but like 3 terms. First term, second term and third term. So here first term is nothing but a. Second term a plus n minus 1 into d. In this formula if I will substitute, I'll get a plus d. Third term is a plus 2d. So here the first term is minus 8. Minus 8 plus 3. Minus 8 plus 2 into 3. So minus 8, minus 5. Here minus 8 plus 6, which is nothing but minus 2. So AP, therefore the AP is minus 8, minus 5, minus 2, so on. So this is the AP.